2 seconds. Let me see what I've got.
We've got katanas. If we hit, run away, you know what I mean?
Just made something a lot better.
I've got... Okay. I'll just make a bow quick and some arrows. Just to piss him off.
Q doesn't work when you want him to light stuff.
Yeah, hold it.
Yeah, and it brings up my walkie-talkie.
Oh. Oh, do we have to change our walkie-talkie keybind? Does it like carry over?
Oh, no, it's done it.
Oh, it does. We need to set that as... I put it as backspace. Yep. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I can't see. I can't see! No! Nice one. I'm gonna equip my katana. Slice and dice, bitch! Slice and dice, bitch! Oh, wow, they do a lot of damage.
Dead. It's not.
No, it's not. He does a lot of damage.
Where?
The fucker fully ran away.
Where?
I don't know. Back to where he was, I think.
I don't think he went that way.
He's there. Oh my god!
Back off!
Katana!
Back off! Shit, I missed.
Oh no! I'm out of stamina. Nice one, nice one. Is he gonna die from that? Yes! Yes, Matt! Hope I didn't burn it alive. Okay, we've got some creepy armor. I'm gonna take some meds again. There are some cannibals right here. Right then, big boy. Batty cheeks. The teeth. Fully can't. No worries. No, I don't want to use my torch because...
Ooh,
Stop
more cloth,
opening
let's go.
that. Don't want to use my torch because I have no batteries to refill it with. Okay, let's proceed. Hopefully it takes us out an exit of the cave. Ooh. Creepy.
Just keep going, just keep going.
Just keep going. No, I want my katana back.
That's a big...
There's got to be something. Right, that's a way out. So let's go back and go the other way. See what loot there could be. My arm's swimming. Oh, it reclosed when you broke it. Come on, there's got to be...
2 ways.
Oh, yes, break this because there might be something valuable behind it.
Oh.
Oh.
Jesus!
A cross. Another. God damn, we are not fighting that. Okay. Okay. Oh! Right, run back a bit, run back a bit. I need to take meds. I am not fighting that without full health.
I need to get...
getting
I
on my
have...
boat.
Oh, I got no Molotovs left. Oh, 1 Molotov.
I'm currently shooting him with an arrow.
How
Got
is
no
he?
arrows?
Is he stuck?
I think so. Right, I say we both go in and slash him. Okay, Molotov. Not stuck! Not stuck! Yep, meds are what... Will it stop opening that? Meds are my best friend. And you're in your backpack. Chocky bar. I don't think that's a good idea.
What?
Using the katana. Whoa! Okay. How do we go about this? You're gonna get your ass whooped there. Oh! Oh! You know what? Die, naked man with no dick. Die! Yeah, you finish him off. I'll go skin this thing. For some extra creepy armor. I don't like it. Naked grey men. Come on in. Tooth. Yeah, you take him. Rope that goes all the way up. A couple of tents. That's a good sign. A lot of rope.
Oh, I think there's a camp here.
What is that noise? Can't carry any more rope. With some cloth in it. Fish. See, I'm not very hungry, but I'm going to eat anyway. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can't carry any more wristwatches. Okay, I guess we traverse more. I'm
Oh,
hearing
there's
something
a-
to our left, but
Zip line going up.
I've got a feeling that might be another exit.
Yeah.
I think we're on a good roll here.
Let's keep going.
Yeah. Let's go. Down we go, deeper into the cave where I'm certain I'm going to get touched. Ooh, okay. Okay.
Oh, good sign.
Where are we going? Okay. Nope, and we go back that way.
Bye.
Ooh. Yeah, I'll just let you slice them up. I'll sit back and watch. It's all good, I'm in safety. Right, I'll take over. Ow! Why are the grey ones? What the fuck? Why are the grey ones so much harder to kill? Just dropped like a sack of spuds.
We've been here.
Lots of
Oh, we haven't.
boxes. No, we haven't.
What? I'm dead.
I would help you, but I'm currently holding a note. Yeah.
Excellent.
Stab. Take some meds, eat, drink, whatever you need to do to stay alive. Ah, sodas. That means I can drink and pick up a soda. That's an explosive container, isn't it? Hey? On you, on you, on you. I'm on my way. There's two, there's two. I'm trying my best with no stamina.
What's this way?
Chainsaw.
You're fucking kidding.
No, chainsaw.
We've
Come
just
up here.
we found the best loot in the game. You know that, don't you?
Oh my days. No.
Why is your
need
light
for a
so-
chainsaw.
Good.
Your light's good.
Oh, mine's not. Not that good of
Yeah.
what's being looked at.
Over on this table. Chainsaw.
Oh my god.
We. Oh. And a fire? Are you dumb? Right, let's cook some fish. Or I can craft. There we go. Right, are we good to traverse deeper? Let's go.
That's a way out.
Okay. We're going up higher.
That'll be a way out.
Ah, okay, let's go back down then.
Yeah.
Okay, I say we go back home. And give ourselves a little save just to make sure.
Yeah, change the colour of this flag to another colour to know that we've done this cave.
Ah, smart, smart.
Is this the way out one that we came down? No, it's not.
I'm not sure. Oh, I hit enemies. Yes,
Way
the
out?
way out.
It
It's
is.
a different way out.
Alright, put a marker down.
Oh, the camp is right there. Okay, so you gonna be? Why are you going for me? You gonna be okay while I put a marker?
Yeah.
Go. There we go. Yellow, not yellow. Should we do blue for done, red for
Yeah.
not done?
We need to go to the other one, really, don't we?
Yeah, it's this one down here. Bitch. Penetration, bitch.
How'd you turn your torch off?
Q.
Wait. You brings your torch out.
Yeah, it depends which one you equipped. If you equip the lighter, it'll bring out the lighter when you press it. So red is for blue is for done. Red is for not done. Right, I say we traverse back home.
Sticks.
Cool, because we need more drying racks, which I will build right now. Wherever they are. This is utility. It would be under food, right? Yeah. Okay, rotate. I don't want to put it in front of the window.
On the other side then, it's like symmetrical.
Ah, yeah, clever. There we go. Nice. Let's hang up our fish. Get some more.
You can only get one. Oh, I tell you what I'm gonna do. Save. Oh, I'll hit you with the chainsaw.
I can say it makes life 10 times better.
Not this tree.
No, not that big one. I think it's the big one you're pointing at.
Oh, wow.
It's so much easier, isn't it?
If I cut and you
Yeah,
you
cut, I
collect,
do that.
we like take it in turns. There's no point using double the petrol, is there?
That's true. I mean, I've got 5 refills anyway. I think 1 jerry can is 5 refills. I see 2. I'll just bring him a bit closer so it's a bit easier. Well, Matt, I can successfully say my Infinity broadcast hasn't crashed once.
There go.
There you go. I do keep running out of stamina hella quick though, because I have to sprint everywhere. I will make the gate here. Where's it? Ah, there. Over to the side. It does look like a lot, but with this, it will be a lot quicker, I think. How do I stop operating? There we go. Get this done, then we can sort out, like, food sources,
Yeah.
stuff like that. Survival, basic survival needs.
Yeah.
Ah, the poor fish are traumatized by the logs. Whoa! You almost killed you. I don't know if trees can kill you. I think they can down you.
It can damage. It damages you.
Yeah, because we definitely need defensive walls if mutants are going to come out. No. Oh. was such a bad joke.
That was really bad.
Yeah, I know. Punish me, Daddy.
Yes.
Oh, yes. I keep covering myself in dirt.
One. Oh, you can only carry one Jerry.
Yeah, I thought you could carry 2, but at least one has 5 refills. I am using my sodas for quick bursts of stamina because I know for a fact that I'm going to find more. Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah,
See.
wrong button, Matt. Is it full now, is it? Okay, so I'll drop that. I'll take that around the side and I'll come back for refill. I wonder if I change that to that and that to that. No way. Wait, hold on.
It'd be 9 now.
Oh! It should be night or 9.
9.
Ah, okay.
Cut down 2 trees and I just found one lying around. And now I can't see.
That's all good. We have successfully finished. Let's go.
Oh, this opens here. That's cute.
Wow, look at us.
Do I unequip this? Just equip something else, I guess.
Just equip someone else, yeah. Oh, look at this base. Sweet. I'm going to eat again because I am a fat shite.
Some pops in here, I reckon.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. No. No. Oh, you're such a mong. That's funny. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to growing the garden. No one should have given you fucking fire. Whose idea was that? I should have taken it off you. Oh! Matt!
What?
You can make them as... Wait.
What is what?
They're not individual. It's one big one.
Oh.
You couldn't do that on the PlayStation.
Right. Ty, Nick Mullo again.
Huh?
Am I doing a movement on your screen?
You are bringing it very close to my face, yes.
Yes, because I'm getting ready to light it.
Oh, you bastard. Oh! Alright.
How far it goes.
Set it off, set it off. Right, stop. Here.
Oh, okay.
It goes right back.
Want to be burned? Do you want to be burned? I don't know where you are. Alright, that was a bit too far. No.
Oh my god!
Oh, I'm on fire.
Hey. Thankfully, I'm not.
Oh, you're on fire on my screen.
Am I?
Yeah.
Oh. Right, how many sticks have I got? 3. I need 12.
I got 4.
Okay.
Says it at the bottom.
Bonfire. And we will put it there.
Do it. I'll do it.
Please may you build this. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And save.